How to hide or remove pop-ups when opening website at Wix, or we can call it Lightbox. So you want to go to your website editor, and then right here at your editor, you want to go to your left side of your screen, and then choose on Pages and Menu right here. And then on Set Pages and Menu, you want to choose the Lightbox. And then right here at the Lightboxes, you can just choose the specific Lightboxes that you want to hide or delete of it. The first one, to hide the Lightboxes. In case you want to use it later and don't want to delete it, you can just choose any of the Lightboxes that you want, and then click on these three dots right here. And then you want to choose on Settings right here. And right here at the Lightbox page settings, on automatically display Lightbox on pages, you want to choose to no. And then to undo it, if you want the Lightbox to be turning on back, you can just choose yes right here. And then don't forget to click on Publish at the very top right of your screen. And then right here, if I visit my website and I'm doing a refresh on it, there are no Lightboxes or pop-up anymore. And the second one, to delete the Lightboxes, you can just go to your Pages and Menu again, and then choose on Lightboxes, and then choose a specific Lightbox that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this subscribe join all list. You can just tap these three dots right here, and then click on delete right here, and then tap on delete. And there you go. When I open again my Lightboxes right here, there's only one Lightbox, not two. And whether you hide or delete the Lightboxes, don't forget to publish it, so it will be safe for everyone that will visit your website. And then after that, you want to wait for a second for a change to be online, and don't forget to refresh your website. That's it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.